In this video, I'll show you how to hyperlink in PowerPoint on mobile. So I'm going to edit this presentation and tap on where I'd like to add the hyperlink. And from here, you want to select this arrow in the bottom right. And then over on the left, tap on Home. And then press Insert. From here, another menu will open up. If you scroll down, you'll see one that says Link. Tap on that. And then press on Insert Link. And here it'll ask which text you want to display, along with the address for the hyperlink. So for the text, I will just write example, and I'll have it linking to google.com. And then you press Insert in the top right, and you'll see that it underlines it, which means that it's hyperlinked. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.